or what's that one? 58? 58 yellow? 58 or 59? Huh? Looks like 58 or 59. Yeah, I think it's 58.
Billy Smith.
crashes.
58 was riding that one guy.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for your race winner, car number 69, John. That is about as good as a race you'll ever see. All over somehow made that whole race without a yellow. Then Austin is heading down the gravel with our race line.
Hey, what's it got the entire race?
Why is it always like that?
Right, I hear you. Make some noise. Jonathan Appleby gets
All right, our winner tonight in the Science Fast Beer Sox, Jonathan Appleby. Jonathan may have a fast car, looked pretty stout out there, but gotta ask you, man, the deal with the 85 had probably quite a bit of chances to just move him out of the way, but you were real patient there and probably took the opportunity to get done cleanly.
Yeah, I didn't want to wreck them. Me and Larry go back a long way, and I know they're in that organization back there, so I tried to race them clean as I could. It was a little rough, you know. Once we got clean air, it was better than that. I got to thank CWR, Construction, O'Reilly, Dave's Towing. I can't thank Central Florida for getting this car back together after last week. So I got to thank them. All you fans for showing up tonight.
Congratulations, Jonathan Appleby, your winner tonight in the Science Fast Beer Sox.
All right, fans, just as soon as Victory Lane pictures wrap up down there, the Grocery Getter Enduro 150 is coming up next. So we'll take a few minutes here. Let the pictures conclude down there. Everybody, Tyler down there taking the photo tonight. And then we'll get the Enduro cars lined up and ready to go. So take this opportunity to stretch the legs. Absolutely. Now the team car, get a bucket of beer and get ready for the Grocery Getter Enduro coming up next.
We'll be sleeping in tomorrow.
What is that? Oh, it's the back. It's the first race.